Have you been searching for a place to park your cash that actually earns you real money in 2025, but still gives you access when you need it? We're talking about money market accounts, a classic financial tool that's seen a huge resurgence as rates have climbed. But with so many banks out there, how do you know which one is the right fit? Today, we're diving into a full review of the Patriot Bank Money Market Account for 2025. Is it a competitive option? Where does it shine? And where does it, well, fall a little short? Let's start with the most important part of any savings or money market account, the APY, or annual percentage yield. Patriot Bank offers a tiered rate structure for their money market account. What that means is the more money you keep in the account, the higher the interest rate you'll earn. In 2025, Patriot Bank's rates are generally competitive, especially on the higher tiers. Those six-figure balances can see a significantly boosted APY, often in the $100,000 and $250,000 plus tiers. However, for smaller balances, say under $25,000 or even $50,000, the APY tends to be much lower, which is a crucial detail for most savers. So, who is this account actually for? If you're a local customer in their primary service area of Southern Connecticut and New York, and you plan on holding a large balance, the tiered rates make it worth considering. It gives you the best of both worlds, higher earnings and the security of a community bank. Next, let's talk about the features and the fine print. Patriot Bank does have a $12 monthly maintenance fee on their standard money market account. But you can easily avoid this fee by maintaining a minimum average daily balance of at least $2,000. That's a relatively achievable threshold for many serious savers, which is a big win. Access to your money is a key feature of any money market account. Unlike CDs, your money isn't locked up. Patriot Bank allows withdrawals at their branches and through their ATMs, as well as via their online and mobile banking platforms. They do, however, have some monthly limits on certain types of transactions, which is standard for money market accounts but something to be aware of if you plan to move money around frequently. The bottom line? The Patriot Bank Money Market Account is a solid choice, particularly if you are an established local customer with higher savings balances, where those top-tier APYs kick in. If you have a lower balance, or you prefer a purely online bank with a consistently high APY across all balances and no physical branches, you might find more competitive, fee-free options elsewhere. Always compare the highest tier rate with other national high-yield savings and money market accounts to ensure you're getting the best return for your specific balance. And remember to factor in that $2,000 minimum balance to waive the fee. That's your hurdle for maximum value. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.